Which Forex pair and time frame is the best to trade? This is the most frequently asked question, and I want to give you the definite answer in this video. Are you expecting that I'm going to say something like EUR USD on 5-minute time frame or GBP USD on daily? No, it's not so simple, but it is simple enough that we can figure it out. The problem is that markets change over time. If GBP USD was a well-trending currency pair a few years ago, today it is another one. I want to let you know about a special tool that I use to find the best trending pairs among all the Forex pairs. Forex Trendy is not like many other products that come and go. It's here forever, helping Forex traders to increase their profitability regardless of if they have their own trading style. The software scans 34 Forex pairs on all time frames from minute to monthly. This way you pick the best trending pair and time frame at the current time. This system runs on powerful computers, so you have nothing to download and install. Just join in and start using it within a few minutes. Get it on the link below. No thick ebooks to read or complex software to install. Live charts of the best trending currency pairs and time frames with emerging patterns and the history of completed patterns. Chart pattern recognition is included in Forex Trendy for no extra fee. Audible alerts and email alerts for the new completed patterns. User-friendly interface. You can select, deselect pairs or time frames from the auto analysis and more options. Quick overview of the trends on all time frames. Forex Trendy uses sophisticated algorithms to consider which trend line or pattern looks better, with more touching points, etc. Many traders don't do this correctly, and now a bonus automated chart analysis recognizing triangles, flags, wedges, and trend lines on 34 currency pairs and all time frames. So how do you find out which Forex pair and time frame is best to trade? Knowing the trend is crucial. Sure, you have experienced times when you entered the trade and waited during the choppy zone while some other pair was making a solid move. Trading the market that turns up and down and takes back all the profits during a series of losses feels like slow torture. Forex Trendy is a software solution to avoid trading during uncertain market periods. Instead, pick the best trending pair at the current time. It uses no indicators, and the trend is determined by pure price action. It quickly scans 34 Forex pairs on all time frames from minute to monthly. That's 34 times 9 equals 306 charts. Forex Trendy analyzes all the charts for you every second. This way, you get the best trending pair and time frame at any time you want. The software runs on our powerful computers, so you instantly get the result online. Therefore, you can use your favorite trading platforms such as MetaTrader, NinjaTrader, TradeStation, and there's nothing you have to download or install. It's very easy to use. The truth is that most Forex systems or robots make money with the trend, but lose money in a choppy market. For example, imagine if you trade a system that makes 50% winning trades, but another 50% are losing trades. By following the trend, you would dramatically increase the odds of winning. If you increase the odds of winning by only 20%, that would make 70% winning trades and 30% losing trades. This can make the difference between losing or breaking even and winning. In other words, by following the best trend, it can only be better. Avoid struggling with the erratic market chaos when the trend direction is unclear. Take only confident trades in the best markets at the current time. You will be the one who knows which one particular, even exotic pair is trending while other traders won't notice it. Knowledge is power. Forex Trendy is a much more sophisticated application capable of recognizing the most reliable continuation chart patterns. It scans through all the charts on all time frames and analyzes every potential breakout. After considering the reliability of the pattern, it tells you something like this. Hey, look at USD NOK on hourly time frame. The price just broke down from a triangle, and you see the chart with the trend lines forming the triangle and the breakout point. All that clearly drawn for you. The trend line looks solid with many touching points, so you're prepared for the massive breakout. Something you would miss unless you have supernatural powers to watch and analyze all the charts. Such events happen very rarely in one single chart. It's not just drawing trend lines, but it's actually looking for reliable patterns formed by strong trend lines having more than 2 touching points at a certain distance. Not familiar with chart patterns and these fancy names? You will get the 30-page ebook with tons of real examples, understanding the myths of market trends and patterns, when you subscribe. Forex Trendy, the best trending pairs among all the Forex pairs. Get it in the link in the description below.